Welcome to this video. My name is Jonathan, and today we're going to look at two different types of meditation, and we're going to do a short practical follow along for each one. The first one is a Qi-Gong meditation. I've been using Qi-Gong for a couple of years. It's a very ancient form of meditation that's got its roots in Chinese medicine, and it's a practice to enhance the mind, body and spirit. So it's really in line with our gym's tagline, mind, body, soul. Very great, very efficient at helping me get out of my head and into my body. And then we're going to move into a seated, still mantra and breathing meditation. And for both of them, I invite you to see what works for you, to take what is useful, whether you're a total beginner to meditation or it's something you've been doing for a while. Meditation is one of the best things I do for myself on a regular basis, and I really love sharing it, and I hope that you can benefit in some way from both or one of these practices. We're going to start with our Qi-Gong practice. Now, this is all about being connected to the body. If you're anything like me, I get really lost in my head. I get lost in my thoughts. And active meditation, or meditation that involves movement and breath, is a great way to interrupt that constant thinking and bring us back into our bodies. So what we're going to do is we'll just start shoulder width apart with the feet. We're going to soften the knees, and we're just going to start to gently twist them side to side. And I'm going to open that movement out and eventually bring the hands round, and I'm gently slapping across the lower back, kind of around the kidney area. And as we do that, I'm going to continually breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. I'm going to let myself look over each shoulder to open up even a little bit more. Relax through the lower back, relax through the shoulders. And we're going to do another couple of deep breaths in. And we'll just let the body kind of unfold on its own. For this next one, we'll bring the feet closer together, hands out and open, palms to the front. We're going to breathe in, hands to center and out, open round. Breathe in and out. Two more. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, last one. And fully out. And just pause for a second here. Close the eyes. Take a moment to connect with your body through the breath. And we're going to stand a little bit wider. This time, as we breathe in, we're going to reach the hands up overhead. And as we breathe out, we're going to pull down, 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 and almost try to stretch towards fingertips towards the floor. And breathe in. And breathe out. Down from there. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now don't worry if you're not getting low in the squat, that's fine. Just go as low as you can. Breathe in. We'll do two more. Breathe out. And breathe in. And last one. Out. From there, breathe in. And out. Okay, from there we're going to bring our feet a little closer together. I'm just going to stand to the side. I'm going to bring my hands together, palms together, and cross the thumbs over. From here, we're going to breathe in and a little bit of a back bend. I'm going to just open up the chest and then fold forward towards the earth. Reach with the fingers, breathe out. Aim to bring fingers to the floor, bend your knees if you have to, come back up, breathe in. Middle finger towards the center of your forehead as you bend back, and breathe out. Stretch down. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Last one. Okay, last one. Now, let's see if we can just get rid of any tension that we might be holding in the body. What we're going to do here is we'll lift up. So as we breathe in, we're lifting up onto the balls of the feet, up onto the toes. Arms are coming up overhead. And then we're going to breathe out and kind of let go of that tension and throw the arms down. As if you've got a slam ball and you're down towards the floor. Breathe in, up onto the toes, and ready? Out from there. Breathe in, and out from there. One more, breathe in, and out from there. Take a deep breath in, arms up overhead, and out. Take a moment, close the eyes. Thanks for joining me for that Qi-Gong beginners follow along. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we're going to move into our seated meditation. So I'm going to invite you to find somewhere comfortable to sit. I'm cross-legged and I usually like to put my palms up on my knees. If you don't like doing that, don't do it. If you'd rather sit on a chair, sit in a chair. If you'd rather kneel, you can kneel, whatever. Right? Doesn't matter. So we'll begin by breathing in through the nose, counting 1 internally. Close your eyes if you want to, and breathe out and count 2. Breathe in and count 3. Breathe out and count 4. In, 1. Out, 2. In, 3. And out, 4. Just continuing on your own now. So we're in for 1. And then we'll be out for 2. In for 3. And out for 4. Just continuing that pattern. And if you find that your mind wanders off, don't be annoyed at yourself. Bring your attention back to the breath, back to that count, and then we continue on. The practice of meditation is not getting to a place where we are never distracted or reach some kind of monk level of focus, but that we're able to notice when our attention is drifted away from this present moment and calmly guide it back to the here and the now. Just continuing with that breath. So in through the nose, 1. Out, 2. In, 3. Out for 4. A few more rounds. From there, just let go completely of any attempt to control your thoughts, your breath, and we'll just coast here just for a few moments. Just completely let go. And when you're ready, we'll open the eyes. I really hope you enjoyed that meditation. And I hope that there was something of value for you in either the active Qi-Gong meditation or this more grounded, centered breathing meditation, this seated meditation. I really, as I say, I love meditation. It's done so much for me to connect me to my body, to connect me to my experience. Remember, you are someone that is worth looking after. And meditation might be a part of how you do that. And I really wish you well. Take care.